quick short on how to change spark plugs for a 2013 Toyota Tundra. Very easy. I'm going to show you the difficult ones and you can do the rest if you can do that one. So we got magnet spark plug socket, fancy spark plug socket, about a 10-inch extension here, a ratchet, and a 10 mil. 10 mil will take all your coil bolts out. All the coils should fit out. The cover here is off, the air cleaner's out of the way. Now for the hard one in the back, what you're going to do is you're going to put your spark plug socket on here. You're going to put your spark plug socket down in the hole, and then you're going to put this on and connect it, and then you're going to connect this and take it loose, take the spark plug out, and then you're going to have to pull it up, and this isn't going to fit out. So you're going to pop this loose, and then you're going to dig this out with a magnet, or if you spring for this, then you can get that out like that, and you probably won't have that problem. But if you don't use that, then you'll probably need to disconnect this and then pick it out with a magnet, or stick a shorter one on it and get it out, because it's going to run into your booster. Probably same problem here is what I see. You're going to have to drop the socket down in the hole, drop the extension on top of it, break it loose, get it out, finger it out, take it out, separate it, and then get the socket out with a magnet. Or if you want to spring for something like this, you can get this, and then once you get the extension up, you should be able to move it out of the way and just pull it right out, no problem. And that'll make it easy. And if you can do this front one and that back one there just like that, and the other ones are going to be a piece of cake. There's not really much in the way of those ones. That's a really simple, easy way to change your spark plugs on your 2013 Tundra V8 5.7. Just be careful when you're leaning over the hood that you don't lean on this and snap this off. Other than that, yeah, pretty easy, pretty simple. Now on these washer ones, look on the boxes. If you got good plugs, they'll tell you how far to turn this. These things should not be He-manned into the hole. They have a crush washer, and they normally only turn after they touch it, only about 3/4 of a turn or so. Kind of like an oil filter when you put them on. Don't He-man it, just do the proper turn or the torque spec and leave it at that. That's all it needs. Alright guys, thanks for watching.